Okay, Mimi, I think I'm gonna get to chopping. Well, hiya. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by me. I purchased everything in this video with my own coin, and we are talking about that 2 for 2, okay? Listen. I'm giving you 2 wigs from the Sensational Butta lace collection. I am late to the game, but it's okay because the wigs are still hidden. Now for the installs, I will show both of them. However, I will speed this one up, but the second one, the bob, I want to do that one with y'all. So make sure you stay tuned for all of that, okay? As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on guard when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broken mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way.
I feel real weird behind this camera, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I haven't sat behind here in like a month. Who am I? But anywho, first up we got the unit Butta Lace 16 or Butta Unit 16. I got her in the color number 2, and this unit does retail around that $40 price point depending on where you buy her from. Now she is a little bit more expensive on Amazon, which is where my link is from, but if you don't want to shop the Amazon link, it's cool. You can definitely check out the other sites, you know, Wig Type, Sam's Beauty, all of them to get the same unit. Okay, now the cap construction for this unit, just like all the other wigs, you know, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. The main takeaway for this unit is the lace. It is that Butta lace, which melts down like a dream. As you can see on my head, it is melted down. I sprayed her down right here in the middle because, okay, this joint is small. Okay, I'm not even gonna say it's medium, it's small. So I had to snatch off my wig grip and spray her down right here and then hike her up a little bit in the back just to make sure this is gonna fit on my head comfortably, because you know she kind of pulling a little bit. So if you have a big dome like me, okay, 23 on a bad day, gang, you may want to go ahead and hike that joint up and make sure this wig is sitting on your head comfortably. Now I ain't saying don't get the wig, okay, but I'm saying if you do get the wig, make sure you don't get a concussion. Okay, listen. Hydrate. Now the texture of this unit is giving the yak yak. This unit I think is like a year old. I saw my girl Brittany review it. I also saw my girl Mimi Carvel. I'm pretty sure Deanna Monet reviewed her. Courtney Janine, everybody, okay. I'm pretty much like the last one to do it, and that's because I've been sleeping on Sensational a lot. I used to review them all the time, but you know, Utre was paying that coin. But also Utre was dropping so daggone much, I couldn't keep up with all the other drops. But I'm, you know, I'm back, okay? I'm getting back into my Sensational and Bobby Boss and, you know, Made Beauty, all that. I'm doubling back. Speaking of Utre, this unit reminds me of Utre Kamaya. Isn't that Utre? It's so many daggone wigs, y'all, but I'm pretty sure it's Kamaya. This is definitely the same wig. Here we are with this one. I do like this one. However, I feel like the layers in the front are a little bit too long. I did use my razor in the front here just to kind of cut some of the hair a little bit shorter, but it wasn't working out the way I wanted it to because I didn't have the correct razor. So once I find my actual hair razor, I will probably get to slicing and dicing on this joint just to make sure, you know, it's where I want it to sit. Now I'm pretty sure my girl Mimi, I think she chopped hers. Like, I want to say she cut like this end off right here and made it like this length, which is actually kind of cute. Let me, wait a minute. Okay, Mimi, I think I'm gonna get to chopping. Not yet though, not yet. Nail check. I did get shedding with this unit when I brushed her. However, I didn't get no tangling, so you know that's good. It's a bust down middle part. It's cute. It's simple. It is beginner friendly, so you know. Now I'm hoping that the next one that I show you guys looks good on me, because my girl Brittany, y'all, when I say she slayed that wig and she looked good, ooh, this one I would definitely say is a, you know, she a cute wig. Okay, she a cute wig. Do you need her? No, you don't need any of these joints. But should you want her? Probably. But let's go ahead and get into look number 2. Okay, so next up we have Butta Unit 8. I got her in color number 2. This is what her card looks like, and she does retail, I believe, around that same price of about $40. I didn't show you guys for Butta Unit 16, but these units do come in specialty colors, so if you want to check any of those out, you definitely can. I may double back and get me one of these specialty colors in this one, probably that Money Piece Caramel or Money Piece Blonde. Not in the 16 though, because everything that I've heard about the 16, the colors are more silkier. I want the yak yak. It's already teetering on that silky yacky, but you know, it ain't there yet. This bob is looking cute. I don't know why I thought I got a color 1B, but I got it now, so you know, there's that. Cap construction is just all the same, so we're not gonna go through that again. Let's see if this unit fits down big head friendly on me, okay? Because 16 wasn't fitting down. Wait a minute, you know what? Not with this fitting bigger than the daggone other one. How in the world? And this one is also giving more pre-pluck. What's happening? What's going on? So it does say on the card that it gives a wider parting space, ear-to-ear lace, virtually undetectable HD lace. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees. So was 16. We will be using some heat around the front, but I need to tip my lace, so I'm going to use not my 330. Now I know I had it right here in my face. It's literally right in my face. Okay, so I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in the color Mocha 360. I'm going to put it all up in my lace, especially around the front near the parting space. I think I'm gonna spray this unit down, just because I will be rocking this unit for the rest of the day, and I want to make sure she don't slip back. I'm not going to be able to put my wig grip on and have it comfortable, so I'm just going to leave that off. Where are my makeup wipes? Get that off. Cut. It does come with some baby hairs, so you know, if you want to swoop those or you know keep those, you can definitely do that. I don't think I'm gonna do too many swoops, but I may do some little swoopy, you know, a swoop on the side here, but we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna use my Eben spray again. Let me go ahead and just spray this down. I'm gonna wrap her down. These little wraps that I got, this one came in a wig that I got, but I did get some from Amazon that work just the same. Okay, I will link those down below in my Amazon store under Wig Essentials, so you can check those out. Get these. No more tying, just use the Velcro on the back, get you snatched. Okay, listen. Now this is definitely fitting down differently than it did on Brittany. Again, Brittany is taller than me, so you know I gotta play with the curl. Oh, there it is, there it is. Had to play with the curls a little bit, give me some more, you know, life. Y'all, this feels and looks like a human hair wig. I'm not going, Now I know I said for 16 it's not a need, it's a want. This one is a need. If you do not want to spend a bunch of money on a human hair bob, this is a cute, y'all. Yeah. The texture is on point, it's soft. I like this already. I like it all. Y'all, this is gonna be one of my favorite wigs this year. I can already tell. Is this on? Okay, I'm about to say. Don't be over here embarrassing me. Ooh, yeah. Now, as far as shedding, I'm not getting nothing. Maybe good to go with that. Can take that off. There we go. I'm gonna flip this lace up because I want my edges to be out. Because I ain't gluing it down. Okay, so let me clip this back right here, because I'm gonna put this one behind my ear. So I need to use my Eco Styler gel right here. Okay. Swoop that back like that. And make sure my part right. Okay. I wanna make sure this is gonna sit right. So I'm gonna use a little bit of my my Got To Be spiking gel. Just to make sure these are laying how I want them to. Nope, I don't want that. Okay, let's press this back. This color definitely gives off really natural. I feel like the black would have given me like a sex appeal type of look. I don't know why, that's just how I feel about black hair sometimes. Let's just keep on playing with this and styling it the way I need. I think I'm gonna cut. Brittany cut hers right here in the front. So I'm gonna do that too, because I liked how hers kind of was shorter in the front. I'm gonna stop playing, let me use my scissors. Yeah, thanks, Britt. Let me cut this piece off right here. Let me do one little swoop, one little teeny swoop right there. Right there. Just a touch of swoopage. All right, let me use my wide tooth comb and kind of clump the curls back together. All right, let's do our parting space. Same powder, put it right up in there. Yeah, I'm loving this one already. More than the long one, yep. That lace is melted, golly. Ooh, that looks fantastic. This is cute. I think this is where I wanna stay, right in the middle. The messy but pulled together. Depending on your height, your face shape, your neck length, shoulder width, all that stuff, this wig will look different on everyone. Brittany is taller than me, and her wearing this unit, it definitely gives like a very bob short type of look. On me, it looks more like a lob. Like it looks like, you know, like a long bob. It comes down past my shoulders. On her, it's like right at her shoulders. But still, the unit is cute, okay? The unit is cute. I need that 1B. 1 second. And I'm gonna get the money piece. But y'all, this is how she is looking. Let me turn to the side, okay? Give it a little side action. To the back, yeah, she looking like a snack. But y'all tell me down below which one you like on me the most and the one you like for yourself the most. Kenny about to be home in a couple hours. When he asks where's dinner, I'm gonna say right here. I'm the entree, you bring the sides. Let me see how she look with my glasses on. Well, I can't see how she look because I can't see. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. I will put the direct link for these units down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.